Hey guys, it's JayeeGood. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys what I keep in my diaper bag. This is the diaper bag that I use. I got this from Walmart. My baby was a NICU baby and I honestly wasn't fully prepared. I had the majority of my items, but I didn't have everything, so I had to rush and get stuff after I gave birth. And I had picked up this bag from Walmart. It was $19.99, something quick and easy. I never did like go and order one that I really wanted, but I just decided just to keep this one. But I'm not sleeping on Walmart. This, gets the job done, and I really like it. And plus it's Hello Kitty, it's really cute. So I decided to keep it. So here in the front you will see that it's 3 slots. I usually keep her bottles in there. It's very convenient for those, and I'm most certain those are what it's used for. So I keep her bottles in here. On the side it has 2 little pockets, and I use these 2 little pockets for storage. Like for instance, for example, I'll keep like her sunscreen. I live in Texas. It's very, very hot, and I don't want my baby to get sunburned, so I definitely keep this with me. But I just keep little things in those compartments, my necessities and hers as well. Also, it has a big pocket in the back. I usually don't keep too much back there. I'll just probably slide my phone in there. With me having a diaper bag now, I do not carry a purse because it's too much and ain't nobody being no bag lady, so I just put everything in here. In the inside, it's just a big opening. It has a section I'm sorry, I lied. It has a little pocket in the back where I keep certain things in there, but for the most part it's just a big open space, and it's very convenient for me. So I'm going to go ahead and dive into the things that I keep inside, which I already stated. I do keep the sunscreen on the side. I keep this with us because you just never know when you'll need it, so we have that. I also keep some of her organic puff snacks. She loves these little things, and if we go run to the store or something and she may get hungry, I definitely keep these with us. Summer, here. Mama! Mama? Did you say mama? Mama! Say it again. Mama? Oh my gosh! Mama? You don't want to do it again. You don't want to do it again. Oh man, here you go. Alright. Petroleum jelly. I keep this inside in one of the side pockets, compartments for her. So when I'm done changing her diaper, I like to wipe her down. Well, not necessarily wipe her down, but put this down there in her area to keep it moist so that she doesn't dry out, or it prevents diaper rash as well. I also like to keep a little tube of lotion for me because I wash my hands a lot, and since I'm constantly cleaning my hands, I like to keep lotion, have my hands moisturized so that they don't be dry. I also like to keep some Q-tips. This is for when she has like little baddies in her nose, or if I need to clean her ears. So I keep them for that. I also have a teething toy. She teethes a lot. She's 9 months now, so of course, she gets irritable at times, so it's good that I have this with me. I also have this little rattle toy, so she'll play with this in the car, keep her occupied and whatnot. Of course, it's very important to have bibs, so I have this cute little bib. I woke up this cute. She is cute. So I keep this with me as well as I think I have another bib here I keep with me as well. So she has 2 different ones just in case she messes one up. She has another. I also like to keep some wet ones, wipes, sanitary wipes, since I said I do wash my hands a lot, and since she is a baby, her immune system is not up to par like ours, so it's very important to wipe down everything and also make sure my hands are completely clean, germ-free, so that she doesn't get sick. I keep a receiving blanket. This is for when she gets cold, or if she's eating and you need to put something on you really fast to prevent, you know, her from having direct contact on your clothes, I keep this with me in the diaper bag. I have numerous outfits for her. I will go ahead and go over those. These, and this is not a haul or anything, I'm just showing you guys multiple outfits. It's important to keep multiple outfits because you just never know what situation you may be faced with. So it's important to have all of these. I also keep some pajamas for her. We tend to go to my sister's house a lot and we don't get home until after 12 midnight at times. So I keep a set of pajamas in there, so just in case she gets tired, I'll go ahead and take off her clothes and throw these on and put her into something more comfortable. Here's another outfit that I have for her as well. It could be pajamas, I guess, or it could be an actual outfit. It's kind of big, but it's best to have more room than no room. So I go ahead and I keep these in the diaper bag. And again, I have another little onesie outfit for her. Beauty from mommy and attitude from my aunt. So hey aunties, y'all got attitude problems. So I keep this. Also, in the little compartment that I showed you guys earlier, I keep her bottles in there. These are Dr. Brown's. These are actually, I think they were rated #1. These are really good bottles. They also came with a little vent inside of it, and it prevents babies from, I guess, having a lot of gas and whatnot. I took it out because she's 9 months now. She doesn't really need it. You know, she burps and stuff on her own. But these are really good quality bottles. They're a little bit on the expensive side, but it's definitely worth your money. It's very important for you to also keep an extra passy. She has one on her. However, I keep one in her diaper bag just in case if she hasn't done it, but just in case if she has ever dropped her passy and lost it, we always have the extra one. She loves these things. I keep this in there for me. I have some little Carmex. Well, it's not necessarily Carmex. It's the knockoff brand, but lip care, you know, for my lips. Again, I do not carry a purse. It's just my preference. So I like to keep my little personal items in her diaper bag. So that's what we do. I also have a burp cloth, of course. You know, again, she hasn't actually spit up ever, but you never know. It's better to be prepared than unprepared. So I also keep one of these inside the diaper bag. I also have a little sweater for her just in case she gets cold or if it starts to rain. I know it has holes in it, but it's better for her to be protected somewhat than not be protected at all. It has little ears on it. It's really cute. It's probably getting a little too small, but hey, it'll work. I also keep little Kleenex for us. If I get a runny nose or she gets a runny nose, it's important to have these in there. I also have some cream that I will use for my breasts. You know, your breasts tend to get a little tender from pumping or breastfeeding, so I keep these. I keep this inside the diaper bag as well if it's needed. I also have a little first aid kit in here. This didn't come with a diaper bag, but I went ahead and put it in there anyway. I'll go ahead and go over the items in here. This is the little nose, I forgot what it's called, but we've never really used this, but we have it. I also have a little syringe if she needs to take medication. I've never used this before. We usually give her Motrin if she is, you know, teething and she's becoming very irritable. I use the syringe that comes with the Motrin. I never use this, but it's best to have this. I also have in here some alcohol wipes for her, disinfectant wipes. It's important to keep that, and also a thermometer for her. And again, we've never used these items before, but again, it's best to have it on hand. Also, I have a blanket for her if she gets cold. If we're in the car and the air is on Antarctica, she has this little blanket. Usually she is hot. She's a hot baby and I'm cold all the time, but you know, again, you never know, so we just definitely keep this. Or if we go over a friend's house, or if we go over to, again, my sister's house, we have a little blanket for her if she gets tired and she wants to lay down and go to sleep. We also, this did not come with this, but I put it in here. It's a little changing pad, and I like this for when we go out to public and I don't have to put her directly on the changing table. I can go ahead and lay this down on her to protect her body from the germs on there. and change her. It also has two little compartments that you can put the wipes in, or anything that you keep for her. I guess if you can put a burp cloth, anything you desire, you can put in there. It also, on this side, it has, let me pull this out for you guys, it has bags for the diapers. If the diapers, dirty diapers with urine or poop, and you can't throw it away right away, you have this to keep the odor in so you can't smell it. Also, diaper bag actually did come with this. This is another little changing pad situation, but I haven't used this one, but it's best to have one. I have two, so you can't have too many. And also, you can't have a diaper bag without diapers. I have a lot of diapers in here, and it's best to keep a lot because you never know where you're going. You never know if, she's gonna have more than one bowel movement. You just never know. So I keep quite a bit. I actually have more in there, but these are just the few that I pulled out. And also, it's very important to keep wipes to wipe baby down after, you change your diaper, to get all the icky stuff, the urine or BMs off of her or him. So I keep those too. And I think that's about it. That concludes everything that I keep in the diaper bag. I hope I was very helpful for you moms out there. I'm a new mom, and I'm still learning, so leave a comment down below if you think I should add something extra, or if you think I'm doing too much. But leave a comment down below, or if you have any questions, I will be happy to provide that for you. If you are not subscribed to my channel, click that subscribe button. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw, or if you'd like to see more, have any suggestions, again, leave a comment down below. And I will see you guys next time. Bye guys!